Hello students, this is step 3 of chapter 9. As I mentioned, the quiz was going to be a little bit different for chapter 9, and so is the assignment. So what I did is I opened up the assignment right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an image of a color wheel. It has a transparent background, and you're going to create a web page, not a website. You're going to use the albums site that you created in chapter 8 assignment for chapter 9. All you're going to do is you're going to add an HTML page. So you're going to have this image. I'm giving you this image with a transparent background of a color wheel. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new page on your album's website. You're going to name the page colorwheel.html. And you're going to create a link on your home page of your album site that goes there, so I can click on that to get to it real quick. Okay? Now you're going to insert the color wheel image, which is a GIF because it has a transparent background. And you're going to put it on the top of the HTML page, and you're going to add some style to the page using the existing CSS style sheet that you used for albums, or you can create another CSS as long as you link the colorwheel.html to whichever style sheet you use. Okay, so you can give it some background color and whatnot. Then you're going to create an ordered list. We've done this already. It's going to contain 38 lines. So you're saying to yourself, this is going to take forever. Not really, because you can copy and paste inside your CSS page. Copy and paste all the lines and just make some changes. It's very easy to do, shouldn't take long. But here's the first 2 lines of the 38 lines. And these colors represent the color of number 1 and number 2. And notice how the font color is also the same as these colors. So line number 3 will look like this, line number 4 will look like this, and so on. Not hard to do. Now, what I did is I actually opened that color wheel inside GIMP and Photoshop, depending on which program you prefer to use. I know a lot of people don't have Photoshop, so I use GIMP as well. So let's do it first from GIMP. Here's how it works. Here's the color chart opened in GIMP. So what you basically do is you click on the foreground color right here. It opens up this change foreground color window, and it gives you access to a little color picker right here. You click on the color picker, and then you put your color picker on top of the number 1 color. Click it, and there you go. There is the hexadecimal number right there for color number 1, 9B0000. And it might be slightly different depending on the resolution on your computer, but don't worry, I'm not going to take points off. As long as it's not FFFF00, you should be fine. Okay? So, and here is the numbers, the decimal number for red, the decimal number for green, and the decimal number for blue. Okay? So I'll show you a different one. So I'm going to click on this again, and I'll go down to this purple right here. That hexadecimal number is 9C00FF. The red decimal number is 156. The green is 0. And the blue is 255, so it's 100% blue. Okay, so that's how that's accomplished in GIMP. Now let me go to Photoshop. I have the same image opened up in Photoshop. It's almost the same exact way. You click on the foreground color in Photoshop. That brings this window right here open for a foreground. Actually, it opens up the color picker, so you don't have a color picker that you have to click on in here. You just simply go on top of the colors. I'll go on this green right here. Here's the hexadecimal number for that, 009C00, and there is 0 red, 156 green, and 0 blue in that color. And I'll choose another one. Let's go with this orange, number 31. Here's the hexadecimal number right here, FF9C00. It has 255 red, 156 green, and 0 blue. So all you have to do is continue to make the list grow, all 38, on your colorwheel.html page, so that each one of the lines matches the color on the color wheel, has that hexadecimal number and the decimal number in parentheses. And that's it for the assignment. So if you have any questions this week, you can send me an email, okay, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching.